So we would like to thank you for joining us today. I think that we all enjoyed the movie very much. I think it was very pleasant to watch.
Yeah, it really convinced us to pick it for the festival because we thought it was very sincere and lifelike and sort of had this kind of awkward situations that we all encounter, even if they're not that extreme or including an octopus, but you know.
Oh, Duccio.
Hi. So let's just wait for this to happen. So.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Thank you.
So thank you both
Sorry
for being
for
here.
not being there. Can you hear me?
Oh yeah, but you know you're here virtually, so that's okay too. So we'll start. I was wondering, throughout the movie, is the movie autobiographical in any way?
In many ways, but not regarding the octopus. I never had an octopus in my life.
So a question for you, Francesca. What similarities do you share with your character?
Okay, I think I share with Bianca the fact that she wants to go. She wants to leave the town where she was born, and me at her age, I was really like her because I wanted to go. I wanted to go to travel to. Maybe she's more but she's afraid as I was. Yeah, she's self-confident, but she's also afraid, as I think any one of us was at that age. Yeah.
What did you like or dislike about her most, and what part you connected with the most?
With her? Yeah. Oh, okay. The fact that, as I was telling you before, she's very self-confident and. But she also a sensitive person, and she has. I like the relation she has with Eduardo because they are very, very close friends. And then at the end, because she lost her boyfriend and everything, she tries to have a relationship with him, but she couldn't. And I really like it. I think I would have gone to the hospital, maybe. So I don't like this part of her because I don't know why. Because she's shy also, and she's yeah, these things.
So that's the only part you dislike?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Really.
That's probably great because it was easier for you to connect with the role.
Yeah. I really like her. I think she's very nice. She's nice, but she wants to seem older also, and I think she's close to me, as I was telling you, and that's why I think Duccio chose me for the role, because she was looking for some people, some actors who were also shares some of their being with the characters.
Okay, at this point, I would like to ask if there are any questions from the audience. No? Okay. Okay, sorry. Go ahead.
This question is actually pointed at you, Francesca, and the maker of the movie. And I'm sorry, it's not really the best question, but I just wanted to know which book they were talking about in the movie.
Was do I answer?
Yeah.
It was Norwegian Wood by Murakami.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Any other questions? Okay. So why did you decide to participate in this movie?
Well, because the first time I met Duccio at the first casting, at the first audience, I really liked him. Okay, and I really liked the way he was doing this casting, because he made us some very personal questions about love, about sex. It wasn't. We didn't have to learn a part for the. There were some answers. There were some questions, and they were really deeply and personal questions. And then I made some other castings, and I really liked more and more and more, and I felt that he had a story to tell, and he was deeply involved in this story, and he had passion, and I liked the way he wanted to tell the story. I like he was. It was so sincere, it was so honest, and so tender in a way. So I completely agreed with him, really, and I like him. I liked him, and I liked the way he likes to tell stories. That's why.
And when you read the script, what was the most appealing thing? What spoke to you the most?
Oh, okay. The fact that apart from the famouses and everything, it's a universal story. That's what he was saying. It's about fear. It's about love. It's about and the way. It's the best part, and that I'm going to be the female protagonist. So I was going to be the object of desire of many people in the audience. That didn't happen, of course, but yeah.
So the movie is full of awkward scenes. From your perspective, which was the hardest to shoot?
Oh, the hardest one.
The most awkward.
No, I didn't really have awkward moments. No, okay. No. I had one. The scene in that he was telling about the scene, the sex scene. Okay. That Matteo was very nice and very shy and didn't want to bother me, so he put a scotch, a blue scotch all over it's in parts, okay, and it was really weird for me because I was all naked, and then to take off the blue scotch, it was really hard for him. Yeah, you remember that?
Yes.
Yeah,
Perfect.
but the one that was harder for me, it wasn't this one, because I felt comfortable with everything, and the one in the bicycles, it was the worst one, because of the cold, because we were dressed like if it was August, but it was March, April, and it was 2:00 in a.m. So it was really cold, and we were going bike and go. It was really hard to do. Yeah.
And do you have a favorite scene in the movie?
Okay, I really like the first one when they met. I really like that one with the dog and with Tegan, and the dinner one. It was very funny for me. It has been I really like to shoot this scene because it's the only one with other people. I always have scenes with Eduardo, and that one, it was really funny to shoot for me. Yeah.
So what about your relationship with Matteo? Were you friends at the time? Did it translate to the movie?
Oh yeah, we were friends. We quarreled a lot also, but you know, it's normal. And we are still friends now. Sometimes we call each other or we write on Facebook, you know, these things. No, but it was great. He I mean, it was a bit difficult sometimes because although he seems so shy and everything, he as a person he has this energy which is really strong. He has a great presence. So sometimes you had to calm down, but it's really great. Yeah.
So just one last question for you. What are your plans for the future, like in movie making?
I'm now developing my next film, which actually was the first film the film I was supposed to shoot before this. And I'm writing now a new version. I have pleasure also on this one to work in an earlier stage with Miroslav, because we met actually through this film in the Mediterranean Film Institute workshop in Nisyros in Greece. And it's again a story of male agility and sense of misplacement in the world, but connected to sex, feelings, relations, but more late. It's like in the 30s. And it's the story of a man that drifts apart from a relation. It's actually a love story of two people breaking up. And so I follow this whole process of breaking up and sharing your emotions with other people. So hopefully I will shoot this beginning of next year. And meantime, the reason why I couldn't come, and again, I'm sorry, I would love to come to Ljubljana, is that I'm here in Bologna at the moment, where I'm casting for a TV series with the Italian television, right? It's a story of teenagers again. And I will shoot this summer. It's a kind of it's a straight format. It's like 10 episodes of 10 minutes each. And I'm really happy because it will be my first occasion to watch something, different format also for Italian television, which is great. So again, as Francesca was talking about casting and stuff, I'm again in this beautiful but very tiring process of getting to know a lot of kids from all over Italy and spending time with them, hearing their stories, and so I'm pretty exhausted.
We're gonna say goodbye to Duccio and thank you again for being here with us, even just in Skype
Thank
form.
you.
It was a pleasure, and we invite all.
Thank you.
And thank you to Francesca
Okay.
for being here with us in
Thank
person
you.
as well.
Thank you.
So, do you want to say anything else, or do you want to say anything to the crowd? You can't see them.
I
but
don't know
you're-
how. Yeah, I don't know how to say goodbye here because should just hang up or I fade out. It's like,
It's addio.
so thank you for coming.
So I'd like to thank you. We'd like to thank you for coming again, and we actually have a present for you that we give to you, our special guest. And this is a golden card that opens the door to our cinema, and you are always welcome here to watch movies and enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Wow, really.